Yeah, what's going on? So today we got a video from Midwest Safety, and the title of the video is how to get a lifetime ban from Spirit Airlines. You gotta be a complete mess up to get a lifetime ban from Spirit, okay? I don't even fly Spirit. I flew Spirit one time. Boy, my back was killing me. I said, oh yeah, I ain't never flying this again. I canceled my flight going back. I was going to Miami, went to Miami, canceled the Spirit ticket on the way coming back, and I got a credit. I never even used the credit, but and then booked with somebody else because no. People that fly Spirit, bro, I could say this. Spirit is good for people that are traveling backpack only. But if you want to do checked bags and stuff like that, like you still gotta pay for everything else. So when you paying for your checked luggage and the seat that you want and stuff like that, it's going to balance out to whatever a regular airline ticket is. You know what I'm saying? And you'll have better seats on a regular airline ticket because just the cushion, it won't be so thin. It's like, dang, like what being on Spirit is like, are you in prison? It's like, come on. The cushion is so thin, just like it is in prison. The mattress is so thin, it feels like you are butt on metal. And it's the same thing in the Spirit Airlines. The cushion is so thin, it feels like you are on butt to plastic. Because I don't think they use metal. Maybe they use metal. I don't know. But let's get into the video. I've rambled on long enough.
Is she being denied boarding?
Yes.
Okay. So is she already on the plane?
She just ran. She's not boarded. I didn't board her.
Is she on the jet bridge or is she on the plane?
Somewhere over there with the supervisor.
Is she over there? Another day.
So towards the boarding, she just kind of ran past everybody and, to security bring
Is she being denied?
Correct, yeah.
She made it all the way inside the aircraft. Yes,
So once I told her, that she's very irate sitting down there in the purple shirt, we'll give her a refund.
Good dear. Ma'am? Hey, can we go up there and talk, please, so we can...
No, I cannot. I want my bag off this plane.
9-2, can I get an airside?
I need my bag. You didn't let me board. You're not going to give me a refund. You're not going to send me out.
We are.
I'm going to give you a refund.
So, ma'am, can we go up there and talk at the counter so they can work on the computer to get you a refund? Ma'am, we have to clear this jet bridge so they can take off. So,
What's going on?
right now, this jet bridge, are you guys in control of it or is Go in control?
It's still federal property, but as of right now, we have our team here, so technically Spirit's operating on the ship.
Okay. Do you guys want to press charges for trespass after warning? Go ahead.
I don't think Spirit would want to do that. She breached the jet bridge without scanning. She ran right.
Oh, so she didn't scan.
No,
She's not standing
right
or
now,
anything.
she's
We're not
already
even sure
trespassed.
that this is
Yeah.
Alright, ma'am. Can you fill me in on what's going on?
I'm ready to get on the plane. She gonna tell me I can't get on the plane. I've been sitting there all day long.
Okay.
I do not want to go back on no other plane. I gotta be up at 12:20 in the morning.
Do you have an ID on you? Because they're not even sure if you are who you say you are. Do you have ID on you?
All I have is a passport.
A passport is fine. Can I see your passport?
You guys can't take off until this is clear, right?
Correct. We cannot disconnect the jet bridge with her in here because she could get injured.
So the reason why this is coming about is because they said you came and went past them onto the jet bridge without showing your ticket.
It's a lie. How did they know what I got if I didn't show my ticket?
Okay.
She didn't even see my ticket.
Okay.
That young lady right there.
They're willing to take care of you, but you can't stay here. Because right now you haven't committed a crime technically. We're not involved yet. I don't want us to become involved because now if we become involved, that means
Giving me a refund for it's not on the same day. It's not going to give me
No.
back
He
to
just
the
no. The manager just told you. Did you just not tell her that you would try to book up another flight, or am I?
Not today.
Not
Based
today,
on the
okay.
circumstances, not
Okay.
today. But we will
It
give her a
wouldn't be
refund
today,
so
and
she
I
can look at
gotta
other
go to
airlines.
work. I have to go to work and sweat, please.
So here's the thing. Like I said, I don't want you to end up being banned from the airport.
I'm trying to tell her that I'll refund her myself. I don't want her to have to go through another bigger process and then have more problems.
All right, let's get her taken care of.
I'm gonna refund her.
Okay.
Fast. But you're going to refund her here, right?
So they already did the refund. So if you want, we can go ahead and
Yeah, that's fine.
we can go ahead and make that.
I was supposed to do because they secured my body and I stuck out.
No, but that's not the only option. You have other options.
No, I don't, because you just gave me a refund. It's going to take 3 to 5 days. All I have is $200 cash. I cannot find a last-minute flight to get back to Dallas. Okay, well, take me to jail. They secure my safety and secure my body. That's the only way I can feel safe. I don't know nothing about your state. I don't know how to get back home.
She wants to what? She wants to go to jail. She's refusing to leave. And I explained.
I'm not sweating. Now you have to worry about a bond. How are you going to get out with a bond?
I would get out.
Hold on.
I would secure my safety. I'm in a state by myself that I don't know nothing about.
Ma'am, we're right here. Just talk to us right here. You don't have to yell. Well, as of right now, they are refunding your money. Okay?
It don't go back on the store. Instant.
Can you stop for a second? All we have to do is go back to the land.
Daddy, I'd rather go to jail at her because this is crazy. I don't got nowhere to go and they keeping me in here.
All you gotta do is leave.
I found a Greyhound bus. That's still 500 something damn dollars. Everything $500.
Can I talk to him for you?
That's why I told him to do the rest of me. They told me it's different options. No, it's not. I'm in the States, bro.
Yo, that yelling is crazy. I ain't gonna lie. Like, that yelling is so crazy. She needs to get a grip. I can understand her frustration because the refund is, you know, it takes 3 to 5 days, but this is why you don't travel broke. How do you only got $200? What? Like, people are not planning. People just doing whatever, moving around. How do you only got $200 to your name? I don't understand that. I really don't. That is just like, and you work. She says she works. She got to get to work at such and such time. It's not like she ain't got no money and she ain't working. You know what I'm saying? She worked. So how you only got $200 if you work? I don't get that.
Myself and I don't know where I'm at.
Can I speak to him? Is it okay?
And there's no way I'm traveling if I only got $200 to my name. Like, what? I'd rather stay at home and figure it out. Fuck that.
Number, that's 911.
Yes, I need the police.
This is the police.
We are the police.
Why did you not? But you're not taking me to jail because I'm in a state that I don't know where to go, and I'm telling you to take me to jail, and you're not listening.
We're trying to help you out.
I'm by myself.
Ma'am, we are the police. Please do not call the police again. Okay?
Can you just gather your stuff and we'll go ahead and walk to the main terminal?
I'm not moving nowhere. I'm not moving. I don't have enough money. All I got is $200 cash and everything is $500 and up. My refund is coming 3 or 5 business days. You took my computer. You took my belongings already. Okay.
Give me hands. Give me your hands.
You don't have to do all
Stop resisting.
Stop resisting. Give me your
I'm
arm.
not resisting.
Give me your arm. Give me your arm.
Let me go and I'm going to let you. I'm going to put it on. Hey, I'm going to put it on.
How you say let me go, but you said that you wanted to go to jail? So you getting your wish. What's wrong?
I'm going to put it on.
God damn it! Don't you bite me! Don't you bite me!
You sitting up and grabbing me.
Don't you bite me!
I'm not resisting.
Stop resisting!
I'm not resisting. I'm grabbing me all kind of ways, Daddy.
Until we are done, do not move. Sit on your butt. Sit on your butt. On your butt.
Hey, I'm going to.
On your butt.
Hey,
Thank you very much.
I'm not even resisting. You don't got to do all of that. All you have to do, Sarah, ask me, can you put your hands behind your back?
Kick your legs out.
All I asked them, they just take me to jail, and they just did all this for nothing. So they can make it seem. And you're being recorded by people too.
I'm being recorded by my body camera.
Okay, so.
Stretch your leg out.
Okay.
I asked you several times to leave.
All I asked you to take me to, I can't go, I don't go
But you could have
nowhere.
avoided all.
All you have to do, did I ask you I want to go to jail? I said, I can put my hands behind my
If you
back.
wanted to go to jail, why were you resisting?
I didn't resist. You just did all that for nothing. You could
You
say,
were.
ma'am.
You were.
I said, ma'am, do you know what you just did? You snatched
It's on
my
our
face.
body cam.
Okay, thank you.
I gotta check my leg. She bit me pretty good.
Because you should not put your hands on nobody and like that. When you could have just said, ma'am, can you put your hands behind your back? And then if I said, no, I didn't want to do that, that would have been the resistance rate.
Welcome to
Because
Florida.
that's
Welcome
how,
to Florida.
That's how y'all do it.
That's not how we do that down
Okay,
here.
but why you didn't say?
I'm not explaining that to you.
Let me go. I'm not being assistant rescue nor
Where does she bite you at? Why are you biting my officer?
because he grabbed my face and messed it down, officer.
So you board a plane without a ticket. He calls. Let me finish. You're finished. You board a plane without a ticket. He calls all this chaos. His officers come out here polite, professional, and courteous, and then you turn around and bite with this officer when he's out here trying to be professional with you. Not making sense, ma'am.
How things have escalated, I do need to inform her every person.
He gon' by that, by I think that sergeant, whatever, by him explaining all that, he like, yo, look, you did all that. Okay, wait till we get down to the precinct, boy. That's what he did. He like, okay, you tough? All right, you got it. You bit my officer? Oh, okay, you got it. All right.
With you. Not making sense, ma'am.
How things have escalated, I do need to inform her every person okay with it, that now she will be buying the spirit.
Yeah, you can talk from here. It's fine. You can tell right here and just let her know.
With everything that's happened after we gave you the refund with the officers, I just need to let you know that you will be going on the Spirit
she just got me
Airlines
the
no flight list, okay?
pretty
So
sure
you
she
will not be able to
understands.
fly on Spirit Airlines ever again.
Thank you.
All right, we're gonna get her to her car. Let's go. Ready?
All right, ma'am. Stand up, ma'am.
No, she won't walk. She said she's gonna walk. If she don't walk, I'm gonna spray her.
Is that
Do not. Let's go that
I'm
way.
not really resisting. I'm asking what's in my stuff.
See, that's what I'm saying. She don't walk, we gonna spray her. He on go. Once he heard that you bit my officer, he like, you did what? Oh yeah. Oh, it's go time.
We're gonna go this way.
She better act right.
You got a lot of questions for someone who breaks the
I'm
law.
asking, is that my brown bag? Did he get my stuff out of me?
So what made you think you could board the plane without a ticket?
I got a ticket.
How come
It's
you
in
didn't,
there.
how come you didn't scan your ticket?
I scanned it.
Are you on the
lady
camera?
with the curly hair.
Well, really, you're on the camera, not scanning your ticket.
Has nothing.
Let's go.
I will walk. You don't have to.
I have to hold you. It's per policy. I have to hold you,
okay.
control you.
Can you loosen my arm? You don't have to grab that tight.
I'm a man.
Oh, yeah.
I don't hold like a woman. Is that okay?
I'll do what you're saying.
Okay, good.
Thank you.
Okay, straight this way.
All she had to do is leave.
Leave and go where?
Doesn't matter. You're an adult. You figure it out.
Now, being in an airport is already stressful enough. Hey everyone, I'm John, and I sincerely appreciate you for watching. And with more than 45,000 flights a day, police never know when they'll...
You know, I like my guy John, man. He always be giving some good insight, man. If y'all want to check out what his thoughts is and stuff, yeah, make sure y'all go over to Midwest Safety and go check him out. You feel me? But yeah, we're gonna get into these charges here.
Remember to be safe, and I'll see you on the next one.
Tiffany was charged with battery, resisting with and without violence, disorderly conduct, and trespass after warning. She is innocent unless proven guilty in a court of law.
Watch when I get in the mood. No time for the fakes. When you see me, I see you, no FaceTime. Shoot my shot, green beam. 2K shit that get a nigga lean.